Students, in previous class we had solved 12 problems on the concept of annuity. So today again we'll continue with the next set of problems. So the 13th problem is a pensioner expects to get a pension of rupees 2,40,000 every quarter for another 6.5 years. He wants to commute for an immediate equivalent lump sum. If the rate of interest is 8% per annum compounded quarterly, what amount can he get now? So in this question, they have asked to find out amount that he can expect now, that is the present value is asked, given every quarter he gets 2,40,000 for how many years? For 6.5 years, and the rate of interest is given 8% per annum, but it is given as compounded quarterly. So because they have given that the interest is compounded quarterly, what we have to do, interest will be 8% divided by 4, so it is 0.02, and period will be 6.5, that is 6.5 is 6.5 into 4, which is for 26 period, and A is same 2,40,000. So the formula for present worth is an equal to a by I into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus I whole raised to n. So substitute all the values, you get the final answer as 48,28,800 rupees. So he gets an amount of 48,28,800 when he wants to commute, and he gets it as a lump sum. So the 14th problem is a person pays rupees 16,67,760 as a purchase price of a lease of a land for 15 years. On what basis of annual rent is the price paid if the interest is calculated at 4% per annum? So in this question they have asked to find out the annual rent, that is the annual payment to be made, which is your A, and they have given that a person purchases a land for lease for 15 years. So your N is 15, interest is given as 4%, so it is 0.04, and they have given the present worth to be 16,60,760. So all the terms except A is unknown, so simplify it, write the formula first, substitute whatever is given, so this will go to the left hand side, it will become product, and when you simplify 1.04 whole raised to 15 and divide the answer by 1, you get 0.553. So you can find out the annual rent to be paid, which is 1,50,000 12.1431, or approximately 1,50,000 12 rupees. So these are very simple problems, only thing you have to understand which formula to use. So then they have given an asset worth rupees 15,72,200 is to be replaced at the end of 10 years. What amount should be set aside annually for depreciation fund if invested at 4% per annum? Compound interest will produce sum required for replacement. In this question they have given the asset worth, which is the amount of annuity which is given, which is 15,72,200, and they have asked what amount should be set aside annually. So that they have asked to find out A. Again write the formula, write the terms which are known and solve for the unknown. So get 1,30,962 approximately. I have written all the steps, so you can go through that. So the 16th problem is find the commuted present value of a quarterly gratuity of rupees 1,500 payable for 6.5 years, reckoning interest at 8% per annum compounded quarterly. So they have asked interest which is compounded quarterly. Again for the interest you have to divide it by 4, for period multiply with the 4, and then A is given as 1500, so you can find out the present value easily. So the answer for this is 30,180 rupees. So the problems are very easy and the formula is same, almost the same for all the problems, either it is the present value or the sum of annuity so far. So we'll solve few more problems on this and then we'll see the next set of problems. Thank you.